Hello everyone, Tashidale. Welcome to again learning passage to 21 Tārā. Drolma Nyerchigla Teba. Passage to 21 Tārā, part 3. Okay, let's start. Ra Jada Ja Dingbo Je. Bao Tsa Jabshu Tsu Na Tsun Jetsün. Ao Pa Ga Sa Pakma. Sa Gada Ga Radada Naruto La Dol Ma. Tanga Tang. Jetsün Pakma Dolma Tang. Pa Yadak Cha Narucho Ga Sa Chok. Bao Cha Japshu Chu. Ta Japshu Tu. Gao Sa Japshu Su Ma Sum. Bao Ja Japshu Ju Ga Sa zhukpa Ya Kigu Yi. Chok Chu Tu Sum zhukpa Yi. Ra Gada Ga Yadak Ya La gyalwa. Sa Radak Sha Se She. Bao Cha Sa Jas. Thama Sa Tham. Cha Da Jat La. Ka Japshuku Na Kun. Na Sa Ne. Ta Nga Tang. Wa Sa Ve. Pa Yadak Cha Ga Chak. Aok Cha La Chal. La Naro Lo. Gyalwa Seche Tamché La. Künné dangwé chak lo. Okay. So, jetsün, you know jetsün. Jetsün is venerable Lord. Zun is a zumba. Don't need constantly non-virtue, body, speech, and mind. Jetsün, okay? Venerable. It's a respect. Pakma is a Ārya. Ārya is Sanskrit. Drolma is a Tārā. You know, Pakma was a venerable female noble one. Okay. Drolma is liberated. Tārā is a Sanskrit. Okay. Dang is the end. Dang, end. Okay. Chokju, you know, Chokju is a 10 direction. Sum is a time 3. Past, present, future is a Sum. Okay. Tibetan call it Sum, past, present, future. Tu Tadawa, tu Deba, tu Maungba. Okay. Zhukpa, you know, Zhukpa is a recite. So some people say to sit, to remain. And Tibetan also called Neba. Daugna Sani Neba. Okay? Zhukpa. Yi is a connective particle. Okay? Gyalwa. You know, Gyalwa is a Buddha. Gyalwa is Buddha. She is a Bodhisattva. She is a with. According to Buddha, Bodhisattva, all. Yeah. So J is a together with. Yeah. Having. You know. Okay. Tamché is a all. And also tamché kun is a all. Okay. La is a two. Künné is a totally. Dangwé is a joy. Clear mind, pure mind, inspiration. Okay. For example, Dangwé. Do you know three jewels? Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha? You can how to believe 3 joules. And dangwa is you can need to believe. And also deba, this is the deba. Tibetan god is deba. Okay? Kerang punchok sumla deba gogo res. Deba ichi. Oh. Dangwa is a faith. Okay? You can need faith. You can need do you need faith? Do you need joy? Then your mind is clear, pure mind. Okay, inspiration. Then you can know. Sim dangwé gone chak go ores. Very clear mind you need. Okay, then chaksalwa, prostrate. Low is a chaksal is a prostrate. Low is a completing word. So finishing word. So completing word is a finishing word. To them all with a faith we prostrate. Okay? Two venerable noble, venerable female noble. One is Ārya Tārā. Chokju is 10 direction. Dusum is 3 times. 3 past, present, future. Zhukpa is you can then reside, remain. Then you can all of the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. To them all with faith we prostrate. Okay? jetsün pakma drolma dang. jetsün pakma drolma dang. chok zhukpa gyalwa tamché la. künné dangwé chak lo. jetsün pakma drolma dang. chok zhukpa gyalwa tamché la. künné dangwé chak lo. jetsün pakma drolma dang. chok zhukpa gyalwa tamché la. künné dangwé chak lo. jetsün pakma drolma dang. chok zhukpa gyalwa tamché la. künné dangwé chak lo. jetsün pakma drolma dang. chok zhukpa gyalwa tamché la. künné dangwé chak lo.